Okay, here is an example of a Remington 405 grain jacketed soft point bullet that was crimped into the casing using the Lee factory crimp die. And what I was trying to show here is how the bullet is deformed by the crimp. And I hope you can see it. I'm doing my best here to show you. Basically, the crimp die put a cannular where there wasn't a cannular. And my personal experience is this does not affect the accuracy. But then again, I don't shoot, bazillion yards and for bragging rights. Anyways, just wanted you to be able to see it. Hope this helps you. Bye.